Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the VEVOR brand, their 8-gallon oil disposal barrel for hot cooking oil with a sealed lid we're going to show you, and four-wheel caster base. It's all carbon steel. It comes with the hardware. This is the way it came out of the box. It was all wrapped in foam and safe. Has the tools you're going to need and an instruction manual telling you how to assemble it. And you can see it has this really good idea. It's got this fishing net that you can pull out any debris in the oil so the oil lasts longer. And it's really nice because it unzips, and then you could take this off and you could totally clean it and get the oil off it and then have this dry and use it again. I really thought that was a good idea. You can see it has caster wheels. There's 4 of them, and the assembly is to put them on here, and then this goes on the actual barrel itself. And what's nice about that is this rolls around quite easily, and they do have the basic tools that you need, the wrenches, to do this. Now this coating on here is a food safe coating, and all the materials on here, the silicone seal, is food safe also. So this product gets excellent customer ratings, and again, that filter bag is reusable, has a year warranty, and it's heavy duty carbon steel 0.7 millimeter. So it's not going to collapse with any weight of the oil. It has these really cool ergonomic handles on the side so that you can lift the oil up when you're dispensing it. And of course it has these really cool clips that lock in place and pull that seal down so that you can get a good seal all the way around, which keeps the oil fresh. It also has the body is welded on the bottom. We're going to show you that. That prevents any oil leaks. It's all one piece, and the welds are all contiguous. And of course the wheels on this are going to allow this thing to roll very easily so that you can move it around. And you know, something like this is excellent for a lot of different applications. The dimensions to this is about 19.31 by 15 inches in height, and it's large enough that you're not going to have to constantly be unloading it to refill it, because 8 gallons is a very decent size to have. So you know, this can be used in a lot of different applications. Mainly it's for fryer or oil barrel, and if you have a foodie hotspot or a restaurant, to fast food chain, food trucks to kitchens, buffets to bars, hot pot restaurants, this is great for barbecue joints, public canteens to dessert shops, everything in between. So it's really nice to be able to dispense oil and keep it safe and clean for reusing. You typically don't have to refrigerate oil. It doesn't have any oxygen in it. This is going to keep it all sealed with that food grade material on there. So I'm going to assemble this, and then we're going to show you the seals and the close-up of the inside of this. The first assembly is to use these shorter nuts and bolts, and it goes in this direction with the top here, the bolt, and the nut on the bottom. You can see the position of it because the wheels are going to go on here facing in this direction. Next you install the wheels, and you use this tool, and there's washers that go there if you look closely. So that is an adjustable nut so that you can adjust the height, because one of the sides you had to lower the wheel down, and the other side I did not have to. The other side is flush. And by doing that, you're compensating for this difference in height so that all the wheels hit at the same time. So they're fully adjustable wheels if you want to do that. So on the bottom of the barrel, it's kind of a floating design. It's not mounted, and they did that because they don't want to put any holes in this that have the risk of oil leaking. You can put a wire tie on here if you want, but this is floating and it's not necessary to do that. This way you can take this off to clean if there's any oil that would be dripping on the side. And you notice on the top they have this nice stainless steel bolted in cover so that when you lift the lid it doesn't just fall, it'll hold it in place till you're ready to close it and seal it. So as I was saying earlier, this is a solid piece. They formed it, and there's no really any welds in it that I could see, so that way this thing is totally leak proof, so you don't have to worry about oil leaking on the base of it. And then on the top of this, let's take a look at the seal. See, they have a silicone seal all the way around so that this thing will be sealed airtight. And then of course with these handles here that lock in place, you're going to be able to get a really nice seal on the can itself. They pull down just the right amount to keep this thing taut, just like that. And then you got these wonderful handles to allow you to hold this thing in place. So here is the finished product, all together with the wheels on the bottom and it locked in place really nice with that floating system on there. Really nice quality. I'm impressed. So VEVOR does it again. They have something that is high quality and half the price, and that's what they're known for. So I'm going to give this 8-gallon oil disposal barrel for hot cooking oil from VEVOR a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.